Hello and welcome to part 4 of the 1962 Bolens 600. In today's video we're going to be working on the 6 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine. To start off with at least, we will be working on the fuel system and the spark plug. And by the looks of it, in the tank, there's 15-ish year old petrol in quite a rusty tank. We've taken the fuel tank off. A good thing about this tractor is that it's got a metal fuel line. Now we're going to look in the oil bath filter. There is still some oil in there. It doesn't look too bad. We've drained out all of the oil from the oil bath filter and it does not look nice right at the bottom. And then we've taken out the spark plug to see if there's a spark, and as you can see, there isn't one. So we're going to get to the points. We're going to have to take off the flywheel and the engine casing, and as you've probably spotted, these two bolts aren't done up fully for a currently unknown reason. We've done quite a lot since the last piece of video. We've taken off the engine casing and the pull start, and that's when we started to hit problems. So we had quite a lot of trouble getting the flywheel off because with the length of this shaft, when we put our puller on here, we couldn't get these to be straight. And what we did about that was we cut down a bit of metal pipe and we made it sure it was straight with the lathe. Then what we did was we put this on here and then popped our puller on, and then that helped to keep the rod straight. Now to take it off. There we go. The points are just back here, and by the looks of it, the head gasket's been leaking. We're now going to take this bit of casing off, and we've got this magnetic tray on here, just in case these bolts drop without us noticing, because these will be very easy to lose because of their size. That's why we've got the magnetic tray there. There's the second one. And there's the points. We've cleaned up the points a bit, and we put back on the flywheel, and instead of putting on the pull start again, we've put on a washer and a nut, and we're going to now see if it's got a spark. As you saw, we got quite a good spark, and we've taken the flywheel back off and we're going to start doing a bit of cleaning as it currently looks worse than my teenage sister's bedroom. As you can see, we've cleaned up this half of the engine. We'll be doing this top half as we get to the maintenance on that area of the engine. But because of how long it took to get the flywheel off and cutting down the piece of pipe to help us get it off, that's all we've got time for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye.